want to create unlimited Gmail accounts without dealing with annoying phone verifications? In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple hack to set up as many Gmail accounts as you need. No phone number required. Let's get started. What's up, geniuses? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create unlimited Gmail accounts with your smartphone without phone verification. But before I get started, if this is your first time on this channel, my name is Favor. I'm an online income coach and a crypto trader. I coach people on how to make money online with their smartphone through various platforms on this channel. If you are interested in learning more, then make sure you hit the like button of this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I share new updates on this channel. Thank you. So now, to create unlimited Gmail account, just go over to your settings, scroll and look for account and select account. Once you select account, scroll and click on add account. After selecting add account, select Google and allow it to load. Now that we are on this page, we can start creating our account. So click on this part that says create account and select for my personal use. Now you need to fill in our first name and our last name. Make sure the name you are filling on these boxes are real names. So I'll fill in the name and click on next and enter a random date of birth. And select the gender and click on next. And now I'll just put in my Gmail, how I want the Gmail to be. And click on next. So it says the username is already taken. I will retry. This one also has already been taken, so I will retry until I get the one I want. Okay. Let me pick Anna Williams 2045. And I'll create my password. And next. So now I have successfully created one Gmail account. So what I'll do is click on next, then scroll to the bottom and select I agree. And as you can see, I have successfully created a Gmail account that didn't request me to do a phone number verification. So this is how to create a Gmail account that won't request a phone number verification from you. If I want to start all over again, what I will do, turn on the airplane mode of your phone and wait for like 5 seconds and turn it off. While you are turning off and turning on your airplane mode is for your internet service provider to give you another new IP that you use to set up another account, another Gmail account on your phone. So now I'll restart the process again and create another Gmail account so you can see. I'll click on add account, select Google, and I'll click on create account for my personal use and fill in this information just like the same way we did. Put in a random date of birth, create my Gmail address, and create my password. Next, scroll, I agree. And that's it. You now know how to create unlimited Gmail account without using a phone number. I believe this tutorial has helped you. If you got value from it, then kindly give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more tips. And if you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. So guys, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.